Hey there, gorgeous goal-getters. Let's talk about social media. It's a whirlwind out there, right? It can feel like a party that never ends, with everyone vying for attention. But here's the thing. You don't want to just show up and hope for the best. You want to make a splash, right? That's where social media goals come in. They're your secret weapon for cutting through the noise and creating a truly impactful online presence. Think of them as your roadmap to social media success. Without a destination in mind, you're just driving in circles. Imagine this. You're launching a new product and you're so excited to share it with the world. You post about it on every platform, but nothing happens. Crickets. Why? Because you didn't have a plan. With clear goals, you can focus your energy, track your progress, and celebrate your wins. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Make it happen. Now that you understand the power of goal setting, let's talk about the different types of social media goals you can set. These goals will align with your overall business objectives and your unique brand personality. Are you just starting out or launching something new? You might focus on increasing brand visibility and reaching a wider audience. Think of it as getting your name out there and making sure people know you exist, ready to turn followers into customers. Conversion goals focus on driving specific actions like signing up for your email list, downloading a freebie, or making a purchase. Building a loyal community is key. Retention goals are all about keeping your existing audience engaged and coming back for more. Think about strategies to increase engagement, encourage repeat purchases, and build a strong sense of community. What do people say about your brand when you're not in the room? Reputation goals focus on building trust, credibility, and positive sentiment around your brand. Remember, you can have multiple goals at once, but it's important to prioritize and focus on a few key areas at a time. Now, let's talk about how to set goals that stick. I'm a huge fan of the SMART framework. It's a simple yet powerful way to create goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Ditch the vague goals like get more followers. Get crystal clear about what you want to achieve. Instead, try gain 1,000 new Instagram followers in the next quarter. How will you track your progress? Choose goals that you can quantify with numbers, percentages, or other concrete metrics. It's great to dream big, but make sure your goals are realistic and attainable with your current resources and time frame. Your goals should align with your overall business objectives and your target audience's needs and interests. Set a deadline for yourself to create urgency and accountability. Establish clear benchmarks for your KPIs. Fifth, create an action plan. Break down your goals into actionable steps. Finally, establish a timeline. Set realistic deadlines to stay on track. Section 6. From goal to action, creating your roadmap to success. Now that you have your SMART goals, create an action plan to turn aspirations into reality. First, content is king or queen. What content will resonate with your target audience? Create a content calendar and schedule regular posts. Engage, engage, engage. Social media is about building relationships. Respond to comments and participate in conversations. Promote your heart out. Use organic and paid strategies. Track your progress. Monitor KPIs and adjust your strategy. Be patient and persistent. Building a strong social media presence takes time. Stay consistent and celebrate your wins. Section 7. Comments, shares, and click-through rates. Third, lead generation. How many leads are you capturing through social media? Measure email signups, contact form submissions, and webinar registrations. Fourth, sales conversions. Are your social media efforts translating into sales? Track the number of purchases made through social media links or discount codes. And fifth, brand sentiment. What are people saying about your brand online? Monitor social media mentions, reviews, and comments to gauge public perception. Choose KPIs that align with your specific goals and track them consistently to measure your progress. Section 8. Case Studies, Real-World Success with Smart Goals. Ready for some inspiration? Let's look at how real businesses have achieved incredible results with SMART goals. Case Study 1. Frank Body. This Australian skincare brand used bold, playful content and a strong brand voice to skyrocket their Instagram following to over 700,000. They focused on user-generated content and influencer marketing to spread the word about their coffee-based scrubs. Case Study $2 Shave Club. Remember their hilarious viral video that launched their brand into the spotlight? Dollar Shave Club used humor and a relatable message to connect with their target audience and disrupt the men's grooming industry. Case Study 3 Glossier. This beauty brand has built a loyal following by empowering their customers and creating a sense of community. They use authentic user-generated content and engage directly with their audience to foster genuine connections. These brands didn't achieve success overnight. They set clear goals, created a solid strategy, and consistently tracked their progress Common pitfalls. Tips for success. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid on your social media journey. 1. Being everywhere at once. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus on the platforms where your target audience hangs out. 2. Ignoring your audience. Social media is about building relationships. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show your followers that you care. 3. Posting inconsistent content. Consistency is key for building a loyal following. Create a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule. 4. Not tracking your results. If you're not measuring your results, you won't know what's working and what's not. Use analytics to track your progress and make data-driven decisions. 5. Giving up too soon. Building a strong social media presence takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent and focus on the long game. Section 11. Ready, Set, Goal. Your journey to social media stardom. Congratulations, gorgeous. You're now well on your way to conquering the world of social media. Remember, setting goals is the first step to achieving your dreams. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be able to create a powerful social media strategy that drives results and helps you achieve your business goals. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and make some magic happen. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest social media goals? Share them with me in the comments below.